Because of our guest, we will use general language to communicate or to interact. Because our brothers here, they have their own mother tongue or language. So in order to have effective communication, we will use English language to communicate, because that is the lingual tongue that each and every Nigerian can use to interact. What I see today is a very special day. Why is a special day? It's a remarkable day in the history of Ohaneze Youth Council and the Middle Belt Youth leaders. We are here today on three important issues. One, on the issue of familiarization to build peace, understanding, we can say peace accord between the new generation of Igbo extraction and that of Middle Belt. We're here today because of a certain experience we had in the past, especially on the history of Nigeria. We are aware of the history of 1969, 1967, 1970. We are aware of some mistakes we made. I believe that today we have learned our lesson, and basically on that we will ensure that the new generation of Igbo extraction and the new generation of Middle Belt extraction, we cohabit, understand ourselves, live in peace and in unity. Because from every aspect of culture and belief, we have almost 97% of some certain culture and belief with the Middle Belt. And these people, they are our brothers. So we are here today to solidify this brotherhood. We are here today to solidify this understanding, to survive together. We are going with a particular slogan: injury to one is injury to all. From today henceforth, an injury to a Middle Belt person is an injury to an Igbo man. An injury to an Igbo man is an injury to a Middle Belt people. And that is why we are here today. Because there is no need to live without peace. There is no need to live in violence. The only thing that can unite us together is love. And I must assure you people today, that is why we are here, to have social, cultural, and political understanding with these our brothers. Secondly, on the issue of insecurity, we are aware that since 2015, our brothers in Middle Belt, they have paid the ultimate price. They have paid the ultimate sacrifice. There is no day, there is no time moment, there is no week, year, we will not hear the issue of bandits killing our brothers in Middle Belt, killing the farmers in Middle Belt, and that is why today the issue of poverty is increasing. Hunger is increasing. This is as a result of the pains our brothers in Middle Belt are facing. Today, we are stating it categorically that enough is enough. We are telling any group, we are telling any person that is orchestrating this violent attack against our brothers in Middle Belt to stop. Otherwise, any further attack to these our brothers, the Igbo nation will not take it lightly with anybody or any group. Today is a new beginning. It is a new beginning with the concept of Imibewe, Anyabewe, meaning that any pains in any way, from religious angle, political angle, against the Middle Belt, we, the new generation, have resolved that it is something that concerns the Igbo people. If it is affecting the Igbo nation, it is also their concern. So today is a new beginning of peace, understanding between the new generation of Igbo extraction and the Middle Belt. Thirdly, why we are here is because of the level of political marginalization, the level of political injustice going on in Nigeria, especially on the issue of rotation of power. We believe that power is something that each and every one of us will have a share. And we believe that the Middle Belt need to have a share of power in Nigeria. And today, we are singing the song of power returning to the southern Nigeria. We also believe that it will be good and wonderful enough to look the area, the zone within the southern Nigeria that have not had their own fair share. And that is why we are talking about the issue of justice and equity. Today, we believe that the only thing that can guarantee peace, understanding, political stability in this country is to ensure that power rotates among the 6 geopolitical zones in Nigeria to enable us to live in peace. This is why we are here today. And we believe, we, the new generation, we are on the right track to build, to chart a new Nigeria. Thank you, and God bless you.